Hello guys and welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to of course open our Telegram app. So once you open your Telegram app, you will be directed here on this page. And then all you have to do is to look on this top left corner of your screen. You will see this 3 line right here. So just click it, and then after that this page will pop up, and then all you have to do is to click this settings right here. After that, scroll down until you see privacy and security, which is right here. So just click privacy and security, and then after that just scroll down until you see enable sensitive content right here on this part right here of your screen. Unfortunately, sensitive content feature is not available on my account yet, but if it is available in your account, then you will be able to see that it is there. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tactics tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.